Hey there, photography enthusiasts, 2025 is here, and it's bringing some of the best mirrorless cameras we've ever seen. Whether you're a pro looking to upgrade or a beginner chasing that perfect shot, these cameras are sure to impress. If you find this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more top tech picks. Now let's jump into it. Number 6. Fujifilm X-T5 has quickly established itself as a standout mirrorless camera, combining cutting-edge technology with a classic design that appeals to both photography enthusiasts and professionals. After an in-depth review and extensive hands-on testing, it is clear that the X-T5 excels in multiple aspects, making it a top choice for anyone looking to elevate their photography game. One of the most impressive features of the X-T5 is its 40-megapixel APS-C sensor, which delivers stunning image quality and exceptional detail, even in challenging lighting conditions. The sensor's ability to capture vibrant colors and dynamic range is remarkable, ensuring that every shot bursts with life. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or street photography, the X-T5 produces images that are sharp and full of depth. The camera's autofocus system is another highlight, boasting an advanced phase detection setup that locks onto subjects with impressive speed and accuracy. This is particularly beneficial for capturing fast-moving subjects, such as wildlife or sports where timing is crucial. Additionally, the inclusion of features like face and eye detection ensures that your subjects are always in focus, allowing you to concentrate on composition rather than technical settings. In terms of usability, the X-T5 offers a user-friendly interface with customizable controls that cater to both novice and experienced photographers. The tilting touchscreen LCD and electronic viewfinder provide intuitive options for framing your shots, while the robust build quality ensures durability in various shooting environments. Number 5. Canon EOS R10 is a remarkable addition to Canon's mirrorless camera lineup, offering an impressive blend of performance, versatility, and user-friendly features. Designed for both photography enthusiasts and budding professionals, the R10 stands out with its advanced autofocus system and rapid shooting capabilities, making it ideal for capturing fast-moving subjects. One of the key highlights of the EOS R10 is its 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with excellent detail and color accuracy. Whether you're shooting in bright sunlight or low-light conditions, the camera handles different lighting scenarios with impressive finesse. The ISO range is broad, allowing for flexibility in various environments, ensuring you won't miss a shot when the moment strikes. The autofocus system is nothing short of outstanding. With dual-pixel CMOS AF2, the R10 boasts 651 AF points that provide fast and precise focusing. The eye detection feature works remarkably well, ensuring that your portraits are sharp and your subjects are always in focus, even when they're on the move. The EOS R10 also excels in video capabilities, offering 4K recording at 60 FPS and Full HD at 120 FPS, making it a great choice for vloggers and content creators. The inclusion of features like dual-pixel AF during video recording ensures smooth and professional-looking footage. The camera's vari-angle touchscreen is another bonus, allowing for creative angles and easy framing, whether you're shooting selfies or capturing unique perspectives. Number 4. Panasonic LUMIX S52 is a game-changer in the mirrorless camera market, appealing to both enthusiasts and professionals alike. After extensive testing, it's clear that Panasonic has made significant strides with the S52, particularly in terms of video capabilities and autofocus performance. One of the standout features of the S53 is its advanced dual-native ISO technology, which ensures exceptional low-light performance while maintaining stunning image quality. This is a significant advantage for videographers and photographers who often find themselves shooting in challenging lighting conditions. The camera captures vibrant colors and remarkable detail, making it an excellent choice for a variety of shooting scenarios. The autofocus system has also received a substantial upgrade. With improved subject detection and tracking, the S4T excels in capturing fast-moving subjects, making it a fantastic option for wildlife and sports photography. The addition of phase detection autofocus, a first for Panasonic's LUMIX line, brings a new level of precision and reliability that users will appreciate. Moreover, the S53 boasts an impressive 4K video recording capability at up to 60 FPS, with internal recording options that rival much more expensive models on the market. The camera supports various codecs, including the highly sought-after ProRes, providing filmmakers with the flexibility to create stunning cinematic content. The ergonomic design of the S53 is another highlight. It feels solid in hand, with intuitive controls that allow for quick adjustments on the fly. The fully articulating touchscreen display makes it easy to compose. Number 3. Canon EOS R10. Mark II is a remarkable upgrade that solidifies its place in the hearts of photographers and videographers alike. Building on the success of its predecessor, this mirrorless camera enhances nearly every aspect, making it a top choice for both professionals and enthusiasts. One of the standout features of the R6 Mark II is its impressive image quality. With a 24.2 full-frame sensor, it captures stunning detail and vibrant colors, even in challenging lighting conditions. The improved autofocus system is a game-changer, boasting dual-pixel CMOS AF2, which allows for fast and accurate tracking of subjects. Whether you're shooting fast-moving wildlife or candid moments at an event, the autofocus performance is exceptional. The camera's continuous shooting speed also deserves applause. With up to 40 frames per second in electronic shutter mode, you can capture those split-second moments that would otherwise be lost. This capability, combined with the camera's low-light performance, makes it an invaluable tool for sports and wildlife photographers. The video capabilities of the R6 Mark II are equally impressive. It supports 4K recording at up to 60 FPS and offers 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording, ensuring high-quality footage for filmmakers. The added features such as C-Log 3 and the ability to shoot in 6K give creators greater flexibility in post-production. Ergonomically, the camera feels fantastic in hand with a well-designed grip and intuitive button layout. Number 2. Nikon Z8 is a remarkable addition to Nikon's lineup of mirrorless cameras, seamlessly blending high-end features with user-friendly design, making it a favorite among both professional photographers and enthusiasts alike. After extensive hands-on testing and exploration of its capabilities, it is clear that the Z8 stands out as a powerful tool for capturing stunning images in a variety of settings. One of the standout features of the Z8 is its impressive 45.7 megapixel sensor, which delivers exceptional image quality and detail. Whether shooting landscapes, portraits, or fast-paced action, the sharpness and clarity are simply outstanding. The dynamic range is broad, allowing for excellent performance in both bright highlights and deep shadows, making it a versatile choice for different lighting conditions. The camera's autofocus system is another highlight, featuring 493 focus points and advanced subject detection capabilities. It locks onto subjects quickly and accurately, which is crucial for capturing fleeting moments, especially in wildlife or sports photography. The eye detection autofocus works flawlessly, ensuring that portraits are sharp and engaging. Ergonomically, the Nikon Z8 feels fantastic in hand. The grip is comfortable, and the layout of buttons and dials is intuitive, allowing for quick adjustments without taking your eye off the viewfinder. The fully articulating touchscreen is a great asset for composing shots from various angles, and the electronic viewfinder offers a crisp and clear display, making it easy to see your subject in real time. Number 1. Sony Alpha 7 IV is a game-changer in the world of mirrorless cameras, seamlessly blending advanced technology with user-friendly features. After extensive testing and comparison with its predecessors and competitors, it's clear that this camera sets a new standard for both amateur and professional photographers alike. One of the standout features of the Alpha 7 IV is its impressive 33-megapixel full-frame sensor, which delivers stunning image quality with remarkable detail and dynamic range. Whether shooting in bright sunlight or low-light conditions, the camera performs exceptionally well, capturing vibrant colors and sharp images that truly stand out. In terms of autofocus, the Alpha 7 IV boasts an advanced hybrid AF system with 759 phase detection points and 425 contrast detection points, ensuring fast and accurate focusing in a variety of scenarios. The real-time eye autofocus for humans and animals is particularly impressive, making it easier than ever to capture perfect portraits and wildlife shots. The camera's video capabilities are equally noteworthy. With 4K recording at up to 60p and 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording, it caters to the needs of videographers looking for high-quality footage. The addition of S-Cinetone Color Science gives your videos a cinematic look straight out of the camera, reducing the need for extensive post-production work. User experience is enhanced with a fully articulating touchscreen LCD and an electronic viewfinder that provides a clear and immersive shooting experience.